Hey there. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm going to talk about one of the most exciting and fascinating topics in the world of finance, the share market. In this video, I'll explain what the share market is, its history, how it works, and how you can invest in it to grow your wealth. What is share market? The share market, also known as the stock market, is a place where publicly traded companies list their shares for investors to buy and sell. It's a market where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares in various companies, with the aim of making a profit. History of share market. The share market has a long and interesting history that goes back to the early 1600s, when the first stock exchange was established in Amsterdam, Netherlands. It was called the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, and was founded to trade shares of the Dutch East India Company. Since then, the concept of trading shares has spread across the world, with each country having its own stock exchange. How share market works. The share market works on the principle of supply and demand. When a company wants to raise capital, it can issue shares to the public, and investors can buy those shares. As the demand for a company's shares goes up, the price of the shares also increases. Conversely, if the demand for a company's shares goes down, the price of the shares decreases. Investing in share market. Investing in the share market can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term, but it does come with risks. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Educate yourself. Before investing in the share market, it's important to educate yourself on the basics of investing, how the share market works, and the risks involved. Set investment goals. Determine why you want to invest in the share market, what your investment goals are, and how much you can afford to invest. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different companies, sectors, and asset classes. Keep a long-term perspective. The share market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term it tends to generate solid returns. Conclusion. In conclusion, the share market is an exciting and dynamic place where investors can grow their wealth over the long term. It has a rich history and works on the principle of supply and demand. To invest in the share market, it's important to educate yourself, set investment goals, diversify your portfolio, and keep a long-term perspective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.